how would I color grade my shot from this to this?
But really quick, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Film Connection Film Institute. Film Connection is a all-new take on film school that keeps people out of debt and trains them as apprentices in one-on-one sessions, in production studios, and live sets.
In DaVinci Resolve, the first step I always do is convert my log footage into Rec 709 Gamma 2.4 so that I can see what I'm working with. I'm using a color space transform to take it from Canon Cinema Gamut C-Log 2 into DaVinci Wide Gamut to color grade, and then at the end, taking it back from DaVinci Wide Gamut into Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. Now that I have my footage set up for its intended delivery, I can go ahead and color correct. And I'm making sure that my shadows, midtones, and highlights are all at the right levels that I want them to be, and that my white balance looks good before I move on to the next steps. After I've done my color correcting, I'm going to apply a film print emulation LUT called Kodak 2383D60. And this is a very popular film print emulation LUT that colorists like to finish their grade with. After applying the LUT, I'm going to further tweak the image to balance the shadows, midtones, and highlights, add some saturation and color boost, and making sure that my skin tones are correct on the scopes. Next, I'm going to bring out my subject a little bit by applying a power window and slightly lifting the exposure to make them pop out just a little bit more. And lastly, I'm going to apply another power window to bring out this ray of light from the window that's shining down on them. And this just helps draw your eye straight towards the couple.